Hey everyone, the tech world is abuzz with excitement as rumors and leaks surrounding the upcoming iPad mini 7 continue to circulate. Apple fans are eagerly anticipating the release of this compact yet powerful tablet, which is expected to offer significant upgrades over its predecessor. One of the most anticipated features is a potential upgrade to the display. While the iPad mini 6 introduced a larger screen, there's speculation that the mini 7 could see further refinements in terms of resolution, brightness, and overall visual quality. Additionally, rumors suggest that Apple may explore the possibility of introducing a ProMotion display for smoother scrolling and animations. Under the hood, the iPad mini 7 is expected to receive a substantial boost in processing power. The inclusion of a newer and more powerful A-series chip will likely result in improved performance across various tasks, from gaming and video editing to multitasking and general usage. This upgrade will ensure that the iPad mini 7 remains competitive in the tablet market for years to come. Camera enhancements are also on the cards for the iPad mini 7. While the previous model offered a capable rear-facing camera, there's a possibility that Apple could introduce a higher resolution sensor or add new features like optical image stabilization or a wider aperture. This would make the iPad mini 7 even more versatile for capturing photos and videos. Battery life is another crucial aspect that users will be keeping an eye on. Given the increasing demands of modern apps and tasks, Apple is expected to focus on optimizing the iPad mini 7's battery to provide longer-lasting performance. This could involve improvements to the battery capacity or more efficient power management. Overall, the iPad mini 7 promises to be a compelling option for those seeking a compact and powerful tablet. With rumored upgrades to the display, processor, camera, and battery, Apple is poised to deliver a device that caters to the needs of both casual users and creative professionals alike. As we await the official announcement, the anticipation continues to grow. The iPad mini 7 is poised to offer a refined experience over its predecessor. While the display will likely retain its familiar LCD panel, Apple is rumored to be addressing the jelly scrolling issue, ensuring smoother visuals. However, hopes for a more dramatic upgrade, like a 120Hz ProMotion display or OLED screen, seem to have been dashed. Under the hood, the iPad mini 7 is expected to receive a significant performance boost. Rumors suggest it could feature either the powerful A16 or A17 Pro chip. However, the most exciting prospect is the possibility of an M1 or M2 chip, which would elevate its capabilities to new heights. Such a processor would make the iPad mini 7 a formidable device for gaming, multitasking, and augmented reality applications. The camera system is also set to receive an upgrade. The iPad mini 7 is rumored to feature a 12-megapixel rear camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front-facing camera. This dual-camera setup, combined with Apple's advanced photonic engine and ProRes video recording support, will enable users to capture high-quality photos and videos. Apple is set to unveil a refined iPad mini 7 featuring a subtle but impactful enhancement, improved battery life. Building upon the solid 8-hour performance of its predecessor, the mini 7 is expected to deliver a slightly extended runtime. This will allow users to enjoy uninterrupted browsing, gaming, or content creation sessions without worrying about battery anxiety. In terms of storage, Apple is offering users a choice between 64GB and 256GB options. This flexibility caters to diverse needs, from casual users who require basic storage for apps and files, to creative professionals who demand ample space for media libraries and data-intensive projects. The iPad mini 7 is slated for a launch in October 2024, offering users two connectivity options, Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi plus cellular. Apple has maintained a straightforward pricing strategy, with the Wi-Fi model starting at $500 and the Wi-Fi plus cellular version beginning at $650. This affordable price point makes the iPad mini 7 an attractive option for those seeking a powerful, portable, and performance-oriented device.